You watch, my cutter wheel is on that black line, just inside, on the inside of that black line, okay? When you're cutting window glass, you know that after watching the videos, that's a soft glass, it's very easy to work with, and it will build your confidence in cutting glass. Just remember, we have to listen to our glass cutter. Oh my, that was good. Now, our favorite plier for this particular cut is our running pliers. Remember, running pliers have a concave and convex jaw, and that is the only reason glass will break. I'm gonna trace a pattern onto clear window glass using my Sharpie, medium fine, just like that. We've traced the outside of our pattern. This is the outside. The line we're gonna cut to is we're gonna stay right on that black line there. So here we go. The first thing we wanna do is I'm gonna take my square, and I always say this, when you're cutting glass, you don't need to work with this right away. So you know what? Let's get rid of it. Take our running pliers, set that off to the side. Now remember, we've traced this out. This is glass piece number 33, okay? Right now, I'm showing you how to make your glass fit the pattern correctly so that even after you grind it, the pieces are gonna fit together. So remember, take your time. You watch, my cutter wheel is on that black line, just inside, on the inside of that black line, okay? So here we go. I know I'm cutting more than one line at a time, but it's okay because I'm showing you how to do this. You see that? It is, I am right on that black line. And okay, so we came off. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scores to make pattern number 33. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start right here, underneath the score, and I'm gonna pull down and away, okay? Down and away, just like down and away. Turn the glass, come up here to the top. That's gonna free up space here and here for you. So remember, down and away. As you can see, all of that black line is showing, and that's what you want, but you want to stay on the inside of the black line. So here we go. My index finger knuckle, grousing pliers, down and away, okay? You see that? That black line is still there. And again, here we go, y'all. Down, because once you get that down, there you go. It will fit your pattern correctly and the frustration stops. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps.